1,000 subscribers! Welcome back, everybody. Thank you so much. I've managed to hit an amazing milestone in my YouTube career. So thank you very much to everybody who subscribed, watched my videos, liked them, commented, everything. Thank you very much. Now I've been thinking of something special to do to mark the occasion, and I've come up with what I think is an absolute lovely idea. It's going to include him and me, and we're going to have a little competition, and we need you to help us. So the competition is both me and my son are going to be making mallets, and once the mallets are made, we're going to then put them onto eBay. We're then going to ask you good people to start bidding, and whoever gets the most money at the end of the day wins. Yeah, wins. But it wouldn't be as special just to put it onto eBay and whoever gets the highest bid. We're going to do it all for charity. Now the charity that I've chosen is prostate cancer, and it's very close to my heart as my dad was diagnosed with it 6 years ago. Luckily he's in remission, but I know that it's a fantastic charity, and I just want 100% to go directly to that. The listing is going to be open to everybody, it's going to be worldwide, and the only contribution I'm going to ask on the listing is to cover postage. So I'm going to cover my build in a separate video, but this one is all his idea. So I'm going to pass over to my son now, and he's going to explain exactly what he's going to be doing.
Hi everybody, and as my dad just said, we're going to be making 2 mallets. I've chosen to turn my mallet on the lathe, so I'm going to be making a carver's mallet. So the wood I'm going to be using is oak and walnut. So my dad's already cut up all the wood bits that I need. So I'm going to start off using glue, then using clamps, and I'm going to put it to one side to dry. I've designed this mallet so the walnut goes all around the oak like this. That will give me a nice tight finish. So it's very important that we use lots of glue and spread it out evenly. When we start using the mallet, it doesn't come apart. So, have a guess what I'm doing now. So I might need my dad to help me out a bit here. So now it's all clamped up, it's time to wait. Or we can use magic. So now I've got the mallet shape, I can move over to the lathe and start turning. I've been using the bowl gouge to round off all the square bits on here. Now that's round, I can now move on to the handle. Design on a piece of paper, and I've drawn around the mallet when it was square, and I've drawn a design that I really like. So now I'm going to transfer my design to the mallet. So now we've done all the turning, we're now going to move on to sanding. So I asked my dad to help do the sanding. We went from 60 grit to 600 grit. We put on a tongue oil finish, and over the next few days we'll put on 3 coats.
Are you proud of yourself?
Yes.
So is this the first proper project you've ever done?
Yes.
Did you enjoy it?
Yes.
Do you think you're going to win?
Yes. In your face.
That was brilliant. Well done. Nice one. Oh, you ain't going to win.
In your face. Nuh-uh. So this is my mallet, and I'm really happy that I done this by myself, and it's turned out like I really like it. It hasn't come apart in the last few days.
That's always a bonus, isn't it?
Yeah. This mallet is now on eBay. All proceeds will go to Prostate Cancer UK. I really hope I raise lots of money and win the bet. So now you've seen the winning mallet, you can go and see my dad's rubbish mallet. I'm gonna lose.
So I'll leave all the links down below in the description for both of the eBay listings. So please go over and check it out. I mean, I know we've joked about it the last couple of videos, but the charity does mean a real lot to me. So please go over, give generously or bid generously. And to everyone, good luck. So once again, we'd just like to say a huge thank you for watching this video. And if you did like it, then please give us the thumbs up down below. Comment as well what you liked about it, what you didn't like. So from me
and me,
we'll see you soon.
So all proceeds
will go to Prostate Cancer UK.
Will go to prostate.
Yeah, so say it again. All proceeds
will be prostate
cancer
UK.
So say it again. Prostate Cancer UK.
Prostate Cancer UK. Prostate Cancer UK.
Excellent.
Finally, I've got there.